Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. Creamy mushroom pasta with blackened mushrooms. Subscribe to this channel and discover many new weekly video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this recipe by finely chopping the onion and garlic, and set aside. Clean the mushrooms with paper kitchen towels, and slice them into thick slices. When done, divide the sliced mushrooms into 2 halves and set aside. In a food processor, pulse 1/2 of the mushrooms until finely chopped. Bring a large pot half full of water to a boil. Meanwhile, add a tablespoon of oil to a skillet over medium heat. Add also a spoonful of butter. When the butter has melted, add the mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Cook until the mushrooms begin to brown around the edges, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the onion, and cook until translucent and lightly soft, about 2 minutes. Add the garlic and let cook for a minute longer. Optional, add the white wine and let it reduce by half, about a minute. If you opt for no wine, add a 1/4 cup of chicken stock or water. Add the chopped mushrooms, and cook until their liquid has evaporated, about 2 minutes. Lower the heat to low, and add the cooking cream, heavy cream. Season with Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and grated cheese. Let simmer uncovered until the sauce begins to slightly thicken. If your sauce is ready before your pasta, turn the heat off and keep warm. Once the water comes to a boil, add salt and the pasta. Cook al dente or 1 minute less than the time indicated on the package. Meanwhile, add a tablespoon of oil and half tablespoon of butter to a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is very hot, coat the sliced mushrooms in the Cajun seasoning and add to the pan. Sear until nicely browned, about 2 minutes per side. Once cooked, set aside and keep warm. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and reserve half a cup of the cooking water. Bring the sauce back to medium-low heat and add a sprig or two of thyme. Add the pasta to the sauce and season with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir and mix well. Add a few spoonfuls of pasta water if necessary and serve. Top it with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and add the blackened sliced mushrooms over the pasta. Serve and enjoy. If you find this video to your liking, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.